All right, everybody. It is May the 15th, Monday, 5:01 p.m. Time to turn on the app. Just got my first batch at Sprouts in Seal Beach for $20, 1 mile delivery. Let's get this done. All right, that order is shopped. It's 5:35 right now, and it's, like I said, it's less than a mile delivery, so let's get it delivered. All right, that order is shopped and delivered. It is 5:42. I just took another $16 batch at Sprouts again with a 5 mile delivery. All right, that batch is shopped. Time to deliver. Okay, that order is delivered. It's 6:17 right now. I'm at 36.47. All right, guys, I just took another $20 batch at Stater Brothers for delivering downtown Long Beach. It's about a 7 mile drive. Let's get down to the store. All right, that order is shopped. Let's get to the delivery. Alrighty, it is 6:58 and I'm at 54.98. Let's go make some more money. All right, it is 7:02. I just took another batch at Vaughn's for $13, 9 items, and a 1 mile delivery. All right, it is 7:26. That order is shopped. It's gonna take 3 minutes to get to the delivery address. Let's go. All right, that order is delivered. I got a batch at the Rouse for $13, and it is 9 items. Let's go get it. Alrighty, that batch is shopped. It's gonna take 9 minutes for the delivery. Let's go. All right, that order is delivered. It is 8:04 and I am at $79.58. Let's go make some more money. All right, I just took another batch at Ralph's and it is $10, 5 items, 1 mile delivery. All right, that order is shopped. It's 8:26. Let's get down to the address. All right, the order is delivered. It's 8:32. I'm at 89.47. Let's make a little bit more. All right, I just took a batch at Gelson's, 15 items, 10 mile delivery for $22. Let's go do it. All right, that order is shopped and it took 20 minutes to shop that order and I had to refund a lot of stuff. The store's just about closing and they were out of a lot of stuff. So let's get this delivered. All right, I just took my last batch of the night. It is for $15 and some change, and it's over here at Ralph's and a 1 mile delivery. All right, it is 9:55 and I'm at 130.74 and I'm done for the night. Let's get home.